So hello student, let's discuss the question. In this question we are given that draw wherever possible a rough diagram of, in the first part, a triangle with the both line of symmetry and rotational symmetry of order more than 1. So in the first part we are considering about a triangle. So let's say we are considering about an equilateral triangle. We know that equilateral triangle has all the sides of equal, so it has 3 lines of symmetry. So this is its line of symmetry, line symmetry, and if we are considering about its rotational symmetry, so let's say we are drawing this equilateral triangle. Is this a equilateral triangle? This is its median. So every angle here is of 120 degree. So let's say this is the point A, B and C. So if we rotate this triangle 3 times by the angle of 180 degree, we got the initial position. So we can say that this has both the line as well as the rotational symmetry. So this is the answer to the part 1 of this question. Now the second part is a triangle with only only line of symmetry and no rotational symmetry of order more than 1. So we are considering about the triangle which has only one line of symmetry. So we know that a isosceles triangle, this is a equilateral. This is a equilateral for the first part. For the second part, we are considering about the isosceles triangle. So we know that the isosceles triangle has two sides equal, one side different. So it has only one line of symmetry. One line of symmetry. And we know that if we rotate this isosceles triangle as by the angle of 360 degree, so we got the same figure. So we can say that it has rotational symmetry. Now the next part is, now the part third is a quadrilateral with no rotation, with a rotational symmetry of order more than 1 but not a line symmetry. So we are considering about the quadrilateral. So quadrilateral having 4 sides. Let's say this is a quadrilateral having different sides, so it doesn't have symmetry. So we can say that the no line of symmetry. But if we rotate this figure, let's say this is its center. Let's say this is our quadrilateral. Let's say this is its center. If we rotate this with an angle of 360 degree, we got this figure again. So we can say that this has a symmetry of order 1. So this is the answer to the part 3. So we can say that a quadrilateral with rotational symmetry of more than 1. So this is the answer to the part 3. Part 4 is a quadrilateral with line symmetry but not a rotational symmetry of order more than. So we are considering about a quadrilateral with the line symmetry. So let's say this is our quadrilateral. And let's say this is a central line, and if we can check, both the sides are equal, so it has a line symmetry. Line symmetry. And now we are considering about the rotational symmetry. So this is our figure. So if we rotate this with an angle of 360 degree, then only we get the equal shape. Then only we got the equal shape. So we can say that it has a rotational symmetry of order 1. It has a rotational symmetry of order 1. So this is the answer to the part D. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of symmetry. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.